So today I'm going to make a external SSD drive. I'm not very technically proficient at anything really, but I watched a couple of YouTube videos, so let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the drive. Let me see. So I guess this is called like a M.2 SSD drive. These are supposed to be like way faster than, or I don't know, a little faster than regular SSDs, which are way faster than the spinning hard drives. I don't know what those are called. So this is the SSD, and I'm gonna have to put this inside a case. So the case I got is this. It's called the SSK something M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Okay. So we got the what is this? USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-C to a USB, whatever the original USB, I don't know what this is called. So anyway, all right. Comes with some kind of, they call it a thermal conductive pad according to this. And let me open this up. Now, I was originally trying to edit some videos on my MacBook Air, but the MacBook Air is not exactly ideal for video editing. So I bought a new MacBook, or an iMac, and the iMac is not going to arrive for another week. So during that week I've been ordering things to get ready for video editing and whatnot. And let's see here. I mean, I was going to get a PC, but I don't know how to assemble a PC. I watched some YouTube videos, but I didn't feel comfortable enough to putting it together myself, so I decided to just pay the extra money and just pay for a Mac. And yeah, so it just shipped today from Ireland, and it's supposed to be here in 1 week. So alright, I pulled out the plastic frame from the aluminum housing. Now I gotta put the SSD diagonally down into the M.2 slot, then press the end of the SSD to make the SSD parallel to the PCB, whatever that means. So, I'm taking this out. I think I'm supposed to do this. Is this right? Insert diagonally down, then press the end. I don't know if that's working. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I don't want to break this. This feels very fragile. Ah, there it is. There I think it's in now. Now it's sticking up. Alright. So then I clamp the copper washer in the semi-circular notch at the end of the SSD. Okay. Okay. Like so. What the hell am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. The fuck am I doing? You're learning with me, I guess. Okay. Alright, let me try this. Damn it. There's two of these. Maybe I slide this in, maybe? Ah, yes, I think so. Alright, I slide that in. And I put in a screw. Which one's screw A? This is screw A. That's screw B, alright. Screw A. Damn it. Alright. Okay. I also, in my research on YouTube, I found that when getting the iMac, I'm getting the 27-inch iMac, that you shouldn't upgrade the RAM through Apple. I believe it was like from the default 8 gigabytes of RAM, it was like another $1,000 or something to upgrade to 64 gigs of RAM. But based on what I saw in YouTube videos, it seems that you can just easily upgrade the RAM yourself in like a minute or two. So I'm gonna do that later also. What's going on? Why would it go in? What is this? Oh, I guess I gotta screw this in from the back. I think. Whatever. So put that down. And then from the back, screw it in here. Damn it. Come on, buddy. Get in there. Alright. Okay. Got it, finally. Alright. That's that. What else? Attach the thermal conductive pad to SSD. You know, I don't know if I can really do that. I mean, thermal conductive pad. I'm just supposed to cover the SSD with this? And do not do it beyond the edge of the SSD? Oh boy. Hope I'm doing this right. I don't know, it looks thicker. I don't even know if this is gonna... Is this even the right thing to do? No idea what I'm doing here. Don't even know what this is for. Thermoconductive pad? What does it do with heat or something? Alright. Now I gotta insert this in the in here. Is this even the right way? Should I make this tighter? No, I don't think so. Pressing down a bit as I insert this. Oh boy. This doesn't feel right. This does not feel right. What the hell is going on? I don't get what's wrong here. Just shove it in, man. Just get in there. It's a tight fit. Okay, now what? After the main body is inserted in completely, lock screw B to fix it. Screw B is which one? The skinnier one, okay. Alright, so it's assembled, and let's see what happens when I stick it into my MacBook Air. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna take this USB-C and stick it in here. And see if it comes out here. The light is on. Disk you inserted was not readable by this computer. Why? What is initialize? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to make this work? I don't even know. What am I supposed to do? Oh, it shows up here, this disk utility. 1 terabyte. Why is it not supported? SSK media will be erased and replaced with the data from volume selected below. Well, I don't even know what that means. Let me just eject this for now. And then plug it back in, see what happens. Damn it. Alright. Let me plug it in again. See what happens. Let's show up here. The disk you inserted is not readable. So what if I erase SSK media? Will permanently erase all data. You can't undo this action. I don't even know what all this stuff means. Mac OS X extended. What's exFAT? I think someone mentioned about needing exFAT. I don't know what all this stuff means. What does all this shit mean? I guess that's it. 1 terabyte. Well, now it shows up. Get some info. And it shows. Yeah, I got a terabyte on here. Okay. Well, there you have it. Looks like I made my own SSD, and I did it in less than 20 minutes, although probably should have only taken about 2 minutes. Anyway, next time you'll see me upgrade the RAM in my iMac from 8 gigs to 64 gigs. I think that'll go a lot faster. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Maybe I should put a link to this stuff in the description. Maybe I can get one of those like commission deals. Yeah, who cares? Okay, I guess that's it. Oh, I should test the speed. How do I do that? So this will be a test for a regular spinning external hard drive, so let's see what happens. Wow. It is really slow.